Traveling can be stressful. Here are 8 hacks for effective travel. Pack smart with the 3-2-1 rule. Pack 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and 1 pair of shoes for a week-long trip. Choose versatile items that mix and match. Roll, don't fold. Rolling clothes saves space and reduces wrinkles, maximizing your luggage capacity. Download offline maps before. Save maps and key locations, hotels, attractions, on Google Maps to access them without Wi-Fi. Email yourself important documents. Send copies of your passport, tickets, and itinerary to your email in case of loss or theft. Bring a power strip or USB hub. Hotels often have limited outlets. A compact power strip ensures all your devices stay charged. Use incognito mode for flight bookings. Clear cookies or browse incognito to potentially avoid price hikes when searching for flights repeatedly. Keep a digital and physical copy of your itinerary. Have a printed copy in case your phone battery dies or there's no signal. Hydrate and pack snacks. Stay energized and avoid overpriced airport food by bringing your own refillable bottle and healthy snacks. Travel safe.